How to log into Skrill app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into the Skrill app on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to log into the Skrill app on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Skrill application that you can find here. And once you launch the Skrill app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now, in order to log into your Skrill account, of course, first of all, basic thing, you need to make sure you have created an account first of all. So if you have not yet created an account, you'll find the register option that you can find from the bottom here, or you can directly tap the login option. It will take you to this login page here. Now once you come to this login page over here, as you would be able to find it, you can just make sure to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, tap the password option, enter your password. If you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can tap the I button here to view the password. If you forgot your password, you can tap the reset password button here. I'm not sure if it's quite visible, but if you look closely at the camera, so let me just show it to you, you should be able to see the reset password link here as well. After you do that, what you can do is basically just tap the login option and you'll be successfully logged in to Skrill on your iPad. This way you can log into Skrill on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.